Welcome to the lecture. In today's lecture, inshallah, we will learn how to install Oracle Database 10g and developer. First, you must download Oracle software from the PUC module or from the internet. It is online free in the internet, especially in the Google, in the Oracle website. In the Oracle website, there are many software. One of them is Oracle Database 10g. We must start by installing the database first and then the developer. Click on this folder, install database XE for Windows 7, and click on Oracle XE Uni. Yes. Oracle database, it is very important for all students, especially now be connected with many programming language. For example, SQL Server and Visual Studio, and many organizations work by Oracle, especially the governmental organizations. It use Oracle because it is an effective programming language. This may take few minutes. Next, and accept the item in the license agreement. Click on it and click on next and next. Here it asks from the path where you want to install Oracle. It is better in the C because most of Oracle applications program to or package to be installed in C drive. Click on next, and here you must to enter password and confirm password. Password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Confirm 1 2 3 4 5 6, and click on next. Install. Till now there is no Oracle in my start program. Now it is downloaded now. It is installed. Because as I said, I make a format for my computer to learn the students how to install and set up Oracle application. especially Oracle Database 10g and Developer 6i. And I hope that you benefit from this installation, because Oracle not like other computer programming language. It need focusing, need interesting by during the setup. You must be careful during setup. This may take few minutes. This is the basic step in the installing of Oracle. After this step, it will give you finish, and we will move to the next step, inshallah. Okay, now finish. Uh, the next step, now it open directly Oracle homepage, but before Oracle homepage, we must minimize when it is appear this window appear, or this interface appear. Please minimize, because there is a step before this step. Many students will go directly to this step and enter username and password. The step before this step, return back to the Oracle installation folder and click on imp.sql, right click, copy, and paste in drive C. Open drive C and paste here in the root. It asks you to continue. Yes, continue. Now be sure imp.sql has been copied to the root of the drive C. The next step is to make a start for this file. Open SQL, maximize, and here connect, CONN. Username here, system. Password from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Connected. Start. C. As I said, we want to start imp.sql. Semicolon or colon, backslash, the file name which I copied to drive C, imp.sql. Enter. And we wait. After this step, there are many operations here. We must wait until this step finished, and then we return back to the Oracle homepage. After SQL prompt appear, that is mean it has been finished. This is one of the most important steps in Oracle setup. Now it has been finished. You see here SQL from it has been appeared. Now we can return to the Oracle homepage, and also by the same way enter password system, username system, password from 1 to 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Click on login. It asks you here to save the password or not. It is not necessary step. You can save, you can ignore. Wait until the login has been. Now the login has been completed. Click on this down arrow and select database user. From that database user, select manage users. Manage users. And click on it. Double click on HR. Do not enter any username here. Double click. Now you can enter your username and password. The password here, username and password, in the Oracle 10G, it is HR. If you want to change, you can change. HR, and click here, account status, convert from lock to unlock. And check all, and return back alter user. Click on it. Wait for some minutes. User password changed. User altered. That is mean the Oracle database has been successfully installed. Now you can close this windows and close this windows and return back to Oracle setup folder. And now we can install developer. The installing of database has been completed. Install developer, open, and click on setup. Yes. Here, it asks you to enter company name. It is recommended to enter your name, Abdallah. And sometimes keep name and location by default as do not make any changes. Sometimes the language appear in Arabic, convert to English. And click on after you. Here I enter only company name. Click on OK. And OK. Yes. OK. Wait for some minutes. Many windows has been appeared. Do not concern. This is a normal thing. Here is the setup. Installing of developer. There are two types of developer, developer 2000 and developer 6i, and both are free in the internet. What is the difference between Oracle developer 6i and 2000? There is no big difference, but 2000 prefer to work in the Oracle server when you connect your computer with the LAN or MAN. Yes? Okay. Okay. Now the setup of Oracle has been, it asks you, there are some components it need to be installed. Click on reinstall using recommended setting. Recommended setting, that is mean you will select the component that you want to install. And again, enter company name, Abdalla. Okay. In this case, this is very important Windows or stop step. In this step, we select Oracle Reports Developer. Previously, we install Oracle Forms Developer. Now, we select Oracle Reports Developer and click on OK. OK. OK, like previous step, yes. And here is the setup. We'll start. OK. Till now, less than 20 minutes. But Alhamdulillah, the steps is going well. There is no problem. Sometimes in Oracle setup, some problems will appear. But until now, there is no problem. Sometimes in this step, it gives you a window that some files are not exist. Click on ignore if it is appear to you. And now it has been finished. Okay. Installation successful. Alhamdulillah. Now we finish installation. The last Alt F4 to close this windows. There are many windows. Close Alt F4. Press on Alt F4. F4. Alt F4. Alt F4. Alt F4. And also close this. Now the last step is there are some files must be copied and moved from Oracle XE to Orant file. Open C. You see, after formatting, my drive D is empty. Yes, because even drive C and drive D I formatted. I clean all my computer. Open drive C, not D, sorry, drive C. Select Oracle XE and select application or unselect Oracle. Select product. Select this folder 10.2.0. Select server. Select the folder network. Select the folder admin and copy these three files. Highlight and make copy and return back to drive C. And this one's open the folder orant. Select net 180 180, this folder. Open and open admin, and here paste the 3 files. Paste. It asks you, it is an exist, copy and replace. Click on copy and replace, copy and replace again. Now we are finished Oracle installing Oracle and developer. We make a test by creating a database and connect this database with a form builder property to change background and color, white background, screen text black, and font size 20. Okay. Okay. Connect. Username HR, password HR. Connected. Create table. This is the first table in my computer after formatting. Create table. Abdu. For example, 4 field ID from number of 20, name, var character of 40, comma, get var character of 35, comma, last measure type var character 35 also, and close the database, semicolon, table created. Now we can open Oracle Form 6i to see our database, and we can insert the data. Click on all oracles, all programs, select Oracle Database 10g, and select Oracle Form 6i, Oracle Form 6i, select Form Builder. Okay. Next. Next. Okay. Username HR, password HR, database XE, connect. These are the databases. The new database Abdu. All these databases, it come from the company, from Oracle company. Abdu. Okay. Convert the fields. Next. Finish. Next. Next. Take the fields. Next. 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 Finish. Maximize. And here you can change the background color for the interface. You can, from the border, you can maximize the interface. And change background color here. Background, fill color, for example, green. Today everything is green. interface is green, my jacket is green, my tie is green, my shirt is green. Yes, green it, and also run by green. Run here by green icon. Run. Now we can enter data 2016 00123. Enter name Maha Ahmed. Get IT measure CS. Save from the first icon. Save. One record save. And click to the next record and select 2016 00456 Amna Abdullah, my daughter. Get IT also. Measure SE. Save. If we return back to SQL and select star, select ID, comma, name from Abdu, we can see our data. Yes, that is all. Now we are finished creating database and form builder here and enter the data by the form builder. That is all. If you have any question, I can answer you. Any question? You can write also. Next lecture, inshallah, after tomorrow, I will give you the second assignment. Okay. Now I can stop recording. Stop recording.